Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota FJ Cruiser maintenance light. First, get into your FJ Cruiser and turn the ignition to the on position, but make sure you don't start the engine. Next, look at your dashboard display and ensure the odometer is showing, not the trip A or trip B meter. Once confirmed, press and hold the trip reset button located near the odometer display. Now, with the trip reset button still pressed down, turn your ignition completely off. Immediately after, turn the ignition back to the on position, all while continuing to hold that trip reset button. You'll need to keep it held down for about 10 seconds. This sequence is crucial for the system to register the reset command effectively. During these 10 seconds, you should observe the maintenance light on your dashboard flashing. After a few flashes, the light will then turn off completely, indicating the reset is successful. Once the light has disappeared, you can release the trip reset button. Congratulations, your FJ Cruiser's maintenance reminder has now been successfully reset. If, for any reason, the maintenance light does not reset on your first attempt, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire process from the beginning, ensuring you follow each step carefully. This easy method is generally effective for most Toyota FJ Cruiser models. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated on all your adventures. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.